Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. $3.02 will be added to a litre of 87 gasoline, while 90 gasoline will also gain $3.02. Automotive diesel will sell for $3.06 more. It will cost $3.06 more for ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price for kerosene will increase by $3.02. Propane will increase by $3, and $2.03 will be added to butane. Meanwhile, oil prices fell today after a second straight build in weekly stockpiles of U.S. crude, suggesting the market was not as undersupplied as traders were trying to portray. Brent crude ended the session down $1.48, selling for $81.08 per barrel. The US dollar is selling for an average $147.62. The Canadian currency is trading at $118.62. $204.31 is the going rate for the pound, and $173.67 for the euro. The Bank of Jamaica says loans issued by the financial sector are seeing lower growth. BOJ Governor Richard Biles at Tuesday's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee gave an update on total loans issued as at July this year.
Business lending continued to grow at a slower pace at July 2021 of 8.4%, compared with a 12% growth recorded at December 2020. Personal loans grew by 9.6% at July 21, relative to growth of 8.7% at December 2020. The quality of the DTI loan portfolio remains fairly stable, with a ratio of non-performing loans to gross loans at July 2021 of 2.8%, broadly consistent with a ratio at July 2020.
Meanwhile, the BOJ says between January and September 2021, 11 flash sales to the foreign currency market have been conducted. The injection amounted to $248.8 million US. The central bank also says its liquidity support since the start of the pandemic in March last year is roughly $1.5 billion, or 11.5% of GDP. The JC Index lost 2,983 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 5 points. Advancing today were Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Epley and Tropical Batteries. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, Kingston Properties, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Everything Fresh. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.